Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Why do beliefs matter? People with judgmental abilities perform their tasks based on knowledge. This knowledge can be acquired through various means or already exists subconsciously in their conscience. For instance, when a deer flees from a lion, it demonstrates an awareness of the danger, which stems from the knowledge ingrained in its conscience. Knowledge and awareness create a distance between the deer and the lion. Similarly, we conduct all our actions based on knowledge. When we feel thirsty, we instinctively seek water because we know it can quench our thirst. When we feel hungry, we understand that eating will satisfy our hunger. And when we are tired, resting is the means to relieve fatigue. As you can see, our actions are guided by knowledge and beliefs. Beliefs serve as the foundation for our actions, directing us on what to do and what not to do. For example, one person recognizes the importance of moral values while another does not. Naturally, the attitudes of these two individuals will differ. Just like a building requires a strong foundation to remain stable, we must also adopt firm beliefs in our endeavors. Without firm beliefs, we may make numerous mistakes and fail to achieve our goals in life. Those who claim that beliefs are unnecessary and that a person should solely focus on clear intentions and good deeds are profoundly mistaken. They contradict their own words, as they essentially propose that one should uphold clear intentions without any accompanying beliefs. Without beliefs, how can we understand what constitutes cruelty or distinguish between good and bad actions? How can we ascertain the purity of our intentions? Beliefs provide us with the standards necessary to evaluate our actions and differentiate between right and wrong.